Hello everyone, welcome back. I made this review based on my own research, and all of the product links included in description for updated price. Husqvarna YTH24V54. Husqvarna makes our best lawn mowers list again with the YTH24V54 lawn tractor. When it comes to standard riding mowers, this is the best option on the market. Why? This mower runs on a 24 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V twin engine with a hydrostatic transmission that lets you change speed and direction easily. While it isn't as maneuverable as zero-turn options, the YTH24V54 has a 16-inch turning radius, which is tight for a lawn tractor. It also has an electric deck engagement, which means you can conveniently activate the mower deck with a simple switch on the control panel. The YTH24V54's 54-inch cutting deck and speed of up to 5 miles per hour will help you mow a small to medium-sized yard much faster and easier than you could with a push mower. Greenworks 40 volts. This smaller model from Greenworks is a great budget pick. Even though it's battery powered, this is one of the cheapest lawn mowers on our list at about $150. With a 40-volt battery and 14-inch cutting width, it isn't big or powerful enough for large yards, but it will get the job done for small lawns. Again, just as with the 80 volts Greenworks model, this mower's battery is compatible with other Greenworks tools. That means you won't have to purchase more batteries if you buy a string trimmer, leaf blower, or other lawn care tool from the same brand. Also, like our other pick from Greenworks, this mower runs for about 45 minutes on one charge. Because the 40 volts mower is so small, it's also incredibly lightweight. Greenworks PRO 80 volts. This self-propelled mower from Greenworks runs on the brand's 80-volt lithium-ion batteries, which are compatible with other Greenworks tools. The mower only runs for up to 45 minutes per charge, so it isn't a great option for lawns that take more than an hour to mow. Even though it doesn't run as long as the Sun Joe mower, this Greenworks PRO model has a more powerful battery for tougher terrain and a wider cutting deck to reduce mowing time. It has another major advantage, too, the self-propelled feature. Essentially, the motor pushes the mower forward for you, so all you have to do is guide it. That way, you don't have to push the full weight of the mower with your own strength. Husqvarna MZ61. If you're considering a zero-turn mower, we assume you'll be using it for big jobs that take hours at a time. It's easy to wear yourself out mowing the lawn for that long, but the Husqvarna MZ61 aims to fix that. Husqvarna designed this commercial zero-turn mower with ergonomics in mind. Its cushioned high-backed seat, armrests, foam-padded handles, and vibration dampeners will help prevent fatigue while you mow. And, of course, this is Husqvarna we're talking about, so you can rest assured that the MZ61 has more to offer than just comfort. This mower also has the strongest engine on our list, the 27 horsepower Briggs & Stratton model. This mower has the same hydrostatic transmission as the Z254, so the mower starts up easily every time. This one is significantly faster than our previous Husqvarna pick, though, with a max speed of 5 miles per hour. Husqvarna Z254. Husqvarna is one of the industry's most trusted brands when it comes to riding lawn mowers, and they prove why with the exceptional Z254 zero-turn mower. This mower's 26 horsepower Kohler engine and wide 54-inch cutting deck can handle tall grass and large yards with ease. The hydrostatic transmission means smooth starts and very little maintenance for you. The Z254 costs just over $3,000. But don't balk at the price tag. It's actually relatively affordable compared to other zero-turn mowers, and you get loads of special features for the price. Husqvarna's patented park brake system is easy to use, since the brake automatically activates or deactivates as you shift the lap bars. The air induction technology for the mower deck ensures a superior cut. All of these product links in the description. Go to the product link you are interested in, for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video.